You did, and so you gotta wash your hands, bud. All right, guys, we'll give this a minute for other people to join. I'll try to do my best. I switched locations here to hopefully the Wi-Fi doesn't go out.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah, bud? You want... how about... Do you want to do some coloring?
No, I want my tablet.
But then you won't have that for a quiet time later.
But I want it.
How about... do you want me to put a show on for you?
No, I want my tablet.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
All right, we'll set a timer.
Okay.
Okay, you got it? Okay, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
No,
5 minutes. Starting now.
I want the white.
All right, I'll have it wait.
But I want orange.
Oh. Okay, Google, make the lights orange. There you go. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, let's get this started. So today what we are going to do is continue what we did yesterday, except for we don't have points, we have a graph. So we're still going to use the standard equation, y minus k squared over a squared plus x minus h squared over b squared equals 1. So the key to know here is that h and k come from the center, and then this is where a lot of people are missing up. A is the distance. Bowie, can you turn that tablet down, please?
No.
All right. Sorry, guys. This is going fun. Bowie, let me see the tablet so I can turn the volume down. Or you got to go in the other room. Can you go in the other room? Thank you. Okay, what people were messing up yesterday is that A is the vertical distance from the center to the edge, and B is the horizontal distance from the center to the edge. So we're just going to look at these examples here, which are the problems, and let's go through this. So what you try to do here is to find the center. Technically, you can use the midpoint formula, but I like to eyeball it. Okay, so the center would be right here. Matches up with the vertices. Everything's going to be horizontally left and right. So I would say that this center here is at that point, which is at, let's see, -3, 1. So h would be -3, k would be 1. Now what I'm going to do here, I'll take my pencil, is just count the vertical distance from the center point to the edge, whether it's the vertex or covertex. In this case, it's a covertex because it's smaller. So the distance from there is 2 spots. So A would be 2, and then go back to the center. How far is it to the horizontal edge? We'll count that over 1, 2, 3, 4. So B would be 4. So A would be 2, B would be 4. H and K was at -3, 1. There we go. So same thing here. If we got a really skinny circle, what we're going to do is to find the H and K from the center. So I'd say the center is right here at -5, 0. It's right on the x-axis. It's at -5, 0. So H would be -5, K would be 0. A is the vertical distance from the center to the edge. So we're going to go from the center to the vertex because this is further away. The vertex is further away than the covertex. So the vertical distance from the center is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the vertical distance is 7. So that should be 7 for A. And then B is the horizontal distance from the center. The horizontal distance from the center is just 1. So B would be 1. Why is that? Double check that real quick. So the big thing that a lot of people were making a mistake on yesterday was just mixing up the vertical and horizontal distance. It's not the distance from the vertex or co-vertex for A or B. They can be changed. It all depends on the orientation of the graph. So A is always the vertical, B is always the horizontal, no matter which way the ellipse is looking, if it's tall and skinny or short and fat. Let me just see, the 7 seems like it was, no, it is 7, okay. Okay, being 1, 0, so -5, okay. All right, so if you guys want to go ahead, I just kind of want to take a look at the next couple quizzes so you guys know, like, okay, now we know that, what can we do from there? So what we're going to do next tomorrow, which you can, once you get tomorrow done, you can do Friday as well, and that kind of takes you to Monday's quiz. Tomorrow is going to be, okay, now we have this equation. What could you tell me about this graph? So you might be able to get a head start on it today if you're feeling real comfortable with this information. If not, tomorrow we'll do this, and then Friday will be the exact same lesson. Okay. Guys, have a great one. We'll see you tomorrow then. All right, bye.